Hi, it's Nina. Hello and welcome again on our new channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through a fix for restricted mode on YouTube as hidden comment for this video. So let's get started. Well, after getting YouTube app and when you try to look at some of your comments and you see that message, it means there's a restricted mode on your videos in your settings. And to fix that, problem, tap on your profile at the top right corner. This interface will appear. So tap on settings. Great, and as you see here, a list of options will appear. So choose the first options, general, and now scroll all the way down. And as you see here, we got restricted mode. So this helped to hide potentially mature videos, and these settings only apply to this app on this device. So to fix restricted mode on YouTube has hidden comments on this video, toggle off these options. And now that message won't appear again. And this is it. This is how to fix restricted mode on YouTube as hidden comments for this video. Thanks for watching. See ya.